Hey everyone, welcome to West Coast Muscle Saws. Just want to show you something here on an MS-192T. It's very common on these top handle saws. I'll fire it up and let you listen to it. It runs pretty good. Sounds and runs pretty good. They were complaining of some erratic running, and let me show you what it is. Listen to it now. That connector boot is split right here, and as long as the saw is not ran real hard and pulled on, the connector boot seals. But if you pull up on it a little bit, let me show you here, you'll see that connector boot actually lift off there. You can see right there, that's the manifold, straight shot into the manifold, sucking air. It's very common on these top handles. Just be aware of that when you're looking for some erratic running.